Welcome to English for All, the podcast where we practice real, everyday English together. I'm Roxy.
And I'm John. So happy you're joining us today. Roxy, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How would you describe me to someone who has never seen me before?
Okay. You are tall, you have short dark hair, and you always look friendly and relaxed.
I love that. And that is exactly what today's lesson is about.
Today we are learning how to describe people in English. What they look like, their height, their hair, their eyes, and their personality too.
This is such a useful topic because we talk about people all the time. My new teacher is really kind. She has curly red hair. He's very tall and friendly.
And in everyday conversations, at work, with friends, meeting new people, you need this vocabulary constantly.
By the end of today, you'll be able to describe anyone, a friend, a family member, even yourself, in natural, confident English.
We'll listen to real conversations, break down the key words, and listen again. Every time it gets clearer.
And before we start, please subscribe to our channel and share this episode with someone who is learning English. It means so much to us. Thank you.
Okay, let's paint a picture with words.
All right. When we describe a person, we usually start with the most obvious things: height and build.
Height is how tall or short someone is. Build is the shape and size of someone's body.
Let's start with height. If someone is very tall, you say, "He is tall," or "She is very tall."
If someone is not very tall, you say, "He is short," or more gently, "She is petite." Petite is a nicer, more elegant way to say short, especially for women. She is petite and elegant.
And if someone is in the middle, not tall, not short, you say, "He is medium height," or "She is average height." Very simple and very natural.
Now, build. He is slim. Slim means thin in a healthy, attractive way. She has a slim figure.
He is athletic. Athletic means fit and strong, the body of someone who does a lot of sport. My brother is very athletic. He goes to the gym every day.
She has a curvy figure. Curvy describes a body with natural, rounded shapes. She is tall with a curvy figure.
And simply, he is well built. Well built means strong and broad, a solid muscular body. The security guard was tall and well built.
One important thing, when we describe someone's build, we always try to be kind and respectful. English has many polite ways to describe people. Use them.
Great point. Now, let's hear these words in action.
John, I need to meet my friend's brother at the train station. I've never met him before. Can you help me describe him?
Sure. What does he look like?
He is quite tall, maybe 1.80 meters, and he is athletic. He plays a lot of football.
Okay, good. What is he wearing?
A red jacket and jeans. Oh, and he has short, dark hair.
Perfect. That's enough to find him. He sounds easy to spot.
I hope so. Train stations are so busy.
Don't worry. Tall, athletic, red jacket, short, dark hair. You'll find him straight away. Easy to spot. To spot someone means to see them or notice them in a crowd. I spotted her straight away. He's very tall, so he's easy to spot.
Straight away. Immediately. Right away. I'll find him straight away. She recognized him straight away. Very natural British English phrase.
And what does he look like? This is the most important question for describing appearance. Not how does he look? That's about mood. What does he look like is about physical appearance.
Let's listen one more time. Focus on the height and build words. John, I need to meet my friend's brother at the train station. I've never met him before. Can you help me describe him?
Sure. What does he look like?
He is quite tall, maybe 1.80 meters, and he is athletic. He plays a lot of football.
Okay, good. What is he wearing?
A red jacket and jeans. Oh, and he has short, dark hair.
Perfect. That's enough to find him. He sounds easy to spot.
I hope so. Train stations are so busy.
Don't worry. Tall, athletic, red jacket, short, dark hair. You'll find him straight away.
Great job. You're improving already. Let's talk about hair and eyes.
Section 2. And this is where descriptions really come alive. Hair and eyes are the details that make a person unique.
Let's start with hair. There are 3 things to describe: length, color, and style.
Length first. Long hair, short hair, medium length hair. Very simple. She has long hair. He has very short hair.
Color next. Black hair, brown hair, blonde hair. Blonde means light yellow, very common in Northern Europe. She has beautiful blonde hair.
Red hair. Not very common, but very distinctive. He has bright red hair. You can't miss him.
Gray hair, often for older people. My grandfather has gray hair. And white hair, even lighter than gray. She has elegant white hair.
And style. Straight hair, no curls, very smooth. She has long, straight hair.
Wavy hair, gentle, soft curves. Not straight, not curly, in between. He has short, wavy brown hair.
Curly hair, tight or loose spirals. She has beautiful, curly black hair.
Now, eyes. Eyes are usually described by color: blue eyes, green eyes, brown eyes, dark eyes, light eyes.
He has piercing blue eyes. Piercing means very intense and striking. They catch your attention. She has warm brown eyes. Warm means they look kind and welcoming.
And a lovely phrase: she has striking features. Striking means very noticeable and attractive. Features are the parts of your face: eyes, nose, mouth, cheekbones.
Let's hear a dialogue using all of this vocabulary. Roxy, I saw your new colleague today. She seems really nice.
Oh, Maria? Yes, she's lovely. What did you think of her?
She's quite tall with long, curly dark hair, and she has the most beautiful green eyes.
Yes, she has striking features, doesn't she? Everyone notices her when she walks in.
Definitely. Is her hair naturally curly?
I think so. It suits her perfectly. She always looks effortlessly stylish.
Effortlessly stylish. I love that phrase.
It means she looks great without trying too hard. Some people just have that quality. Effortlessly stylish. Effortlessly means without effort, without trying hard. She looks effortlessly stylish. He dresses effortlessly well. A lovely compliment.
It suits her perfectly. Remember this from our clothes episode? To suit means to look good on someone. That hairstyle really suits you. Short hair suits him.
Everyone notices her when she walks in. This is how you describe someone with a very strong presence. She lights up the room when she walks in. A beautiful expression.
Let's listen to Dialogue 2 one more time. Listen for the hair and eye descriptions. Roxy, I saw your new colleague today. She seems really nice.
Oh, Maria? Yes, she's lovely. What did you think of her?
She's quite tall with long, curly dark hair, and she has the most beautiful green eyes.
Yes, she has striking features, doesn't she? Everyone notices her when she walks in.
Definitely. Is her hair naturally curly?
I think so. It suits her perfectly. She always looks effortlessly stylish.
Beautiful. One more section. Personality.
Section 3. And this is my favorite part. Because describing what a person looks like is useful, but describing who they really are? That's when you truly connect with someone.
Personality words are some of the most important vocabulary you can learn because we use them every single day.
Let's go through the most useful ones. Kind. A kind person is warm, generous, and caring. My neighbor is so kind. She always helps me. He has a kind heart.
Funny. Makes you laugh. My best friend is hilarious. Hilarious is a stronger version of funny. Extremely funny. She is absolutely hilarious.
Shy. A shy person is quiet and a little nervous around new people. He is quite shy at first, but once you get to know him, he's great.
Confident. Feels sure about themselves. Comfortable in any situation. She walked into the room looking very confident.
Generous. Loves to give. Time, money, help. My grandmother is the most generous person I know.
Patient. Can wait calmly without getting angry. You need to be very patient to be a good teacher.
Outgoing. Loves meeting people. Very social and energetic. She is so outgoing. She makes friends everywhere she goes.
And hardworking. Puts a lot of effort into everything. He is incredibly hardworking. Always the first to arrive and the last to leave.
Let's hear all of these in our final dialogue. John, tell me about your best friend. What is he like?
Oh, where do I start? His name is Marcus. He is one of the funniest people I know. He can make anyone laugh in any situation.
That's a great quality. Is he outgoing?
Very. He loves meeting new people. He's confident and very easy to talk to. But he's also incredibly kind and generous. He's always the first person to help when someone needs something.
He sounds wonderful. What does he look like?
He's tall, with short gray hair. He went gray quite young, actually. He has warm brown eyes and always has a big smile on his face.
He sounds like one of those people who lights up a room.
Exactly. The moment he walks in, everyone feels happier. He's just that kind of person.
You're very lucky to have a friend like that.
I really am. I hope everyone listening has a Marcus in their life.
He went gray quite young. To go gray means your hair changes to gray color. She went gray in her 30s. He started going gray at 25.
He lights up a room. We used this one before. It means when this person enters a space, they make everyone feel brighter and happier. A beautiful compliment.
He's just that kind of person. A natural, warm way to describe someone's character. She's just that kind of person. Always positive, always helpful.
And I hope everyone has a Marcus in their life. Such a lovely, warm way to end a description. Make it personal. Make it real. All right, friends, time to wrap up. What a rich episode this has been.
Let's do our final recap. All the describing vocabulary from today.
Height and build. Tall. Short. Petite. Medium height. Slim. Athletic. Curvy. Well built.
Hair. Long, short, medium length. Black, brown, blonde, red, gray, white. Straight, wavy, curly.
Eyes. Blue. Green. Brown. Dark. Light. Piercing blue eyes. Warm brown eyes.
Face. Striking features. She lights up the room.
Personality. Kind. Funny. Hilarious. Shy. Confident. Generous. Patient. Outgoing. Hardworking.
Key phrases. What does he look like? Easy to spot. It suits her. Effortlessly stylish. He's just that kind of person.
That is a complete toolkit for describing anyone, inside and out.
And here is your challenge for this week. Think of someone you love, a friend, a family member, or even a favorite actor, and describe them in English, out loud.
Try to use at least 3 words, one for appearance, one for hair or eyes, and one for personality. She is tall with long blonde hair, and she is very kind. That's a perfect description.
You can also write it in the comments. And that brings us to our community question.
Tell us in the comments. Describe someone important in your life. What do they look like? And what is their best personality quality?
Write it in English, just 2 or 3 sentences. My best friend is tall with curly brown hair. She is funny and very generous. Something real, something personal.
We read every single comment, and we always love learning about the special people in your lives.
If today was useful, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode. And share it with a friend, because learning English is always better together.
Thank you so much for being here today. You are doing amazing. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode.
Until next time, take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.